Good morning and welcome to another Citroen video of my 2008 C4 Grand Picasso, and in this video we're going to be replacing the front strut tops. Now if you cast your mind back to January, when I put the Citroen through the MOT, it failed on a broken spring among other things, so I had to replace the springs, and when I was doing that I noticed the strut tops were looking a little past it, but I didn't really have time to replace them because I had to get it through the MOT. I need to get it retested within a week of it failing for a free retest. Anyway, the time's come, I've got to replace them because that front suspension's rattling somewhat rotten. So all I've done is I bought a couple of strut top mounts from Euro Car Parts. I can put a link to them in the description. We'll get on with this job. Well, before I do that, I'm going to put one of my stickers on my toolbox. You know, I bought these stickers, so why not? And as you can see, I've got a few from other YouTubers I subscribe to. I've got Retro Restore, Martin Butler and his other channels, Snobby Scrap Picker, Dusty Blonde, Furious Driving and Hubnut. So might as well add mine to the collection on the toolbox lid. Oh, these are available for £2 including postage to the UK. I might probably want a bit more for postage to Europe and the United States. So just hit me up on the email, it's in the description and in the about, and also on my website, which is also in the description. So stick it here, below there, and that's my sticker. So I'm ready to go. Got my overalls and my gloves on, and now I'm not going to show you taking it all off. I'll get the struts out and I can show you what these strut tops are like. So with the strut out, and I've got the spring compressor started, and they need to be directly opposite to each other. I'm going to start compressing them down. It should be easy enough with the help of the beast and the impact extension. So we'll just get these down and we should be able to do this strut top nut. So just do it a bit at a time. You need to do it evenly, so you've got to and that should be, is that going to be enough to loosen it now? Probably a bit more. So just a bit at a time. And you can see spring compressing job's 10 times easier with a beast than doing it by hand. It takes forever by hand. Just keep that's what I think. No, I'll still have to keep compressing it. Yeah, I think we've loosened it enough to get this top nut out, which is 21mm. Oh, and I can't quite get in with the impact, so I'm going to have to use my spanner to undo this one. And I'm going to need my ratchet with my T40, because it's T40 spline at the top. Unfortunately, I don't have a deep enough impact socket. I mean, I could try a normal socket, but it's not really recommended with an impact gun. So I'll do that. I should have some deep 1/2 inch sockets. But do I have anything at 21mm? No, I have nothing 21mm, so I'll just have to keep going. Right, I think I've wound it out enough to get the impact gun on it, yep. Winding it in. Try not to muller the nut. Wind it out with a spanner. And then get. And there we go, that's the strut top out. And I'll show you, you can see it's starting to go, but I think the other side is a lot worse. And get a new one out, compare it. And these are sealed, so if it's wrong one, I'll be in a bit of a situation. Sure it's right, I've never run parts off Euro car parts before, so there's our new strut top. Yep, looks like the old one. I think these were a genuine Citroen part, because when I first got the car, it's broken at front springs, and got my local guy to replace the springs in the strut tops, and they was a genuine Citroen part, so they lasted about 3 years. So here's my new one. So we'll just put it straight back on. Get the spring in the right place. So wind it on with the spanner. And a bit of help from there. I think that's actually all the way in. Yep, that's all the way down. So that's good. I can just loosen these spring compressors. So make sure we're undoing it. Again, should be doing it a bit at a time. Quick look, make sure everything's seated right. Yep, yeah, we're good. Yep, we're all good, so I'll just keep on winding these out. And there we go, that's job pretty much done. Right, we have a problem. And I'll show you the difference. On the original one, there's a little recess there to hold the spring, the end of the spring in. This doesn't have it. So I'm going to have to return this. Clearly not right.